let's have a video tutorial for creating a program that applies Python indentation, compare with and without indentation. In Python, indentation is crucial for defining the structure and scope of code blocks, such as those inside loops, functions, and conditionals. Unlike languages that use braces, like C++ or Java, Python releases consistent indentation, typically for spaces. To group statement, incorrect indentation leads to indentation error. Without proper indentation, the code won't execute as intended or at all. Below is comparison using a simple if statement. Like for example, we put x is equals to 10, then if x is greater than 5, let's print x is greater than 5. So this statement here is a part of this statement. So if we try to run this one, the code will execute. So without an indentation, the code would not execute. It is expected an indented block after if statement on line 2. So we would put an indentation so the code will execute. So the result is x is greater than 5. And that's all. Hope you understand with and without indentation.